Hello student, I am Kishore here to discuss among you objective of management. Objective. Objective is the measurement tool of an organization. With this help, we can find the real situation or status of an organization. An objective is also depend on the management. Management is responsible to setting and achieving objective of the organization. It has to achieve a variety of objectives in all areas like shareholders, employees, customers, government, etc. Major objective of the management is utilization of human resources along with material resources to fulfill the economic objective of organization or business. Here I categorize the three further objective or sub objective of the management. First is survival. Any business on any organization, first of all, they have to survive among the uh, competitor or in the market, must earn enough revenue to cover the cost. If any organization want to survive, but they have to earn enough profit or enough revenue to cover the cost. So whatever cost is there, your revenues must be higher than the cost. Whether your business in manufacturing or producing or whether trading or whatever, you have to survive, then you have to think over it or you have to fix a survival objective of the organization. Second sub objective is profit. Not only surviving among the competitor or in the market, survival is not enough for because management has to ensure that the organization make profits. Not only covering the cost, you have to earn the huge amount of profit. If huge amount of profit is there, then what will be there? Organization reputation will be higher. Organization pay a very handsome salary to the workers, perks, bonus. They can do the research and development work with the help of the profit. So profit is the economic objective of any organization or business which we have to fulfill. Last sub objective of the management is growth. Growth indicates the long term survival of the business. Your business has to be carried for the year to year or for the long term. Growth in the term कि your sale will be maximization. We have to consider the sale volume. We have to increase the number of employees, or you have to do some another research and development program in term of the manufacturing or producing or your trading product. So these sub objective were there. I again repeat, one was the survival, another the profit, and another the growth of the organization. Now I come to the next main objective, that is the social objective. Social objective of the management is very important because society provide so many things to the organization or to the business or to the industries. Manpower they provide and factor of production they provide. So every business or organization has to pay the social objective. So what social objective are there in which society improvement and development will be there. First is provide quality full product at fair rate to the society or to the customer. Unfair deal with the suppliers, dealers, and competitors. Dealing should be fair as per the cost of the product or as per the scenario of the society. Setting up schools, hospital, dispensary for further development of the entire society. If this type of programs or this type of involvement organization or business show, so that is real or core development of the societies. Protection environment balance. We have to protect entire environment of the society. Environment, you have to take care of the internal as well as external environment of society. Do something creative for society, or please be a wealth for the nation. Whatever business is there, whatever production of goods and service is there, so that will be up to that level कि you have to be wealth for the nation. So these are the society, social objective of the management. Now we will go to the personal objectives of the management. Personal, those who are employees doing work individually or grouply in any organization, then they need their own personal development. So how we will develop the personal objective of the employees or the person? First of all, fair and equitable remuneration for them. Fair means standardized. Equitable, those who are doing the same work at same position, they have to have the equal amount of the remuneration. Remuneration indicate here the salaries. Second is appropriate working condition. Whatever business you have to provide the best or appropriate working condition for the employees in which they feel healthy or they do some work as per your direction. Next is reasonable job security. Whatever department is there or whatever business is there, you have to protect the security for the employees, and job security should be there, reasonable job security. We are not saying कि entire life you cannot remove the person, but as per the government norms, as per the age, as per the qualification, as per the experience, you can secure his or her job. For fulfill the personal objective, time to time we have to arrange some training and development program for the employees. Training, by training they can learn or they can update themselves according to the technology, according to the modern technology or modern techniques, as well as the development. After that, we have to provide the opportunity for the promotion. Those who are working since so many years and they have the expertization in their own field, so we have to give the opportunity to promote them as a senior. And whosoever doing the good work for the organization, we have to reward, whether reward is financial or non-financial. So these are the objectives of the management in which we complete the three objectives. First is the organizational objective, second is social objective, and third is